still life painting can be a vibrant, exciting genre.
My father was lost at sea when I was 2, and I remember talk of a scientist, a Soviet scientist.
Anything shiny in there? Or are you going to be all the way on top?
You actually did this, that is this diamond in your hand, and you actually did that. You're the first person to see that.
Hey there, I'm Steve Burchett, CEO of Power Analytics Software, and we're here in Little Rock at SPP